Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a topic relating to social welfare. So first see what is this social welfare, meaning, definition, and what are the forms of social welfare and what are the goals of social welfare. First, let us see the meaning of social welfare. So social welfare, it refers to organized efforts and systems which are designed to ensure the well-being of the individuals and communities and the groups, especially in order to meet their social needs and also in order to solve their social problems. That we can say social welfare is an organized efforts in order to meet the basic needs and the social problems of the society, especially the weaker sections or the marginalized sections of the society. So when I say marginalized sections of the society, there are many categories will come like ST, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, women, OBC, and the senior citizens, children, women. These are all the main categories of the weaker section. So social welfare is an systematic efforts in order to enhance the overall well-being of the individual, so-called disadvantaged sections of the society. Again, social welfare includes a wide variety of what is that programs or the services, so which are made to meet the basic needs of the people and also in order to provide social justice and also to enhance the overall well-being of the individuals. So social welfare aims at providing services to the underprivileged sections of the society. So as I mentioned already, underprivileged sections of the society in the sense so-called weaker sections, ST, SC, OBC, women's, children, etc., etc. So social welfare is an systematic efforts which are designed to improve the well-being of the individual in order to enhance the quality of the life of the so-called disadvantaged group of people. Next, let's see the definition which are given by Ronald D. C. Federico. So, social welfare is defined as a society's governmental and the non-governmental efforts. So, when I say governmental efforts and the non-governmental efforts, that social welfare activities may be by undertaken maybe by government also and by the NGOs also, non-governmental organization also. So it is efforts by the both government and the non-government in order to help the members to function more effectively as individual and as participants in organized social structure. So the meaning of this definition is nothing but it will help. It is efforts taken by the government as well as the non-governmental organization in order to help the individuals to function more effectively. Again, one more definition is there, which is by the Social Work Dictionary. So, according to this dictionary, social welfare is a nation's systems of programs, benefits, and services that help people to meet those social, economic, and educational needs that are fundamental to the maintenance of the society. So, according to this, social welfare provides a varieties of services, thereby individual can meet his social needs, economic needs, and the educational needs. So, this is what the meaning and definition which is relating to social welfare. Next, let's see what are the goals of social welfare. So, social welfare has got certain goals. So, as I said, it is the efforts by the government and by the this one, non-governmental organizations. It has got some specific goals. Let's see what are the different kinds of goals of social welfare. So the first one is that poverty reduction or the elimination of poverty. So especially these social welfare services or the programs which are meant for disadvantaged sections of the society. So the very first objectives of the social welfare is that eliminating or the reducing the sum of the poverty through many welfare programs such as providing the midday meals program, providing some of the pensions, etc., etc. And second one is that improved health outcomes. So government and the NGOs here are going to give some of the health programs in order to improve the health standards of the people. And next one is another important objectives or the goals of the social welfare is nothing but increased education and the employment opportunities. So it is going to give the some of the educational programs to the people, and also thereby help them to get the employment opportunities. Next one is that providing the social justice and the equalities in the society. So in a society we can see social injustice and the inequality. So reducing these inequalities and providing the social justice, especially to the underprivileged sections of the society, is one of the main objectives of social welfare. And of course, community development and protecting the vulnerable groups. Again, vulnerable groups in the sense so-called marginalized sections of the society, and thereby enhancing the quality of life. These are all the objectives of or the goals of social welfare. Next one is there are many forms of social welfare. That is nothing but public welfare is there, private and non-profit welfare is there, and the community welfare is there. So public welfare, nothing but students. It's a government funded programs like Medi-Aid and food assistance and some of the unemployment benefits. And next one is that private and the non-profit organization, even these are doing some of the programs in collaboration with the government in order to deliver the more effective social welfare programs for the benefit of the society. And next one is that community welfare. In this, local initiatives are driven by communities in order to address the specific local needs and the problems. Next one is key stakeholders in social welfare. There are like government agencies are involved in the social welfare programs, and even the non-profit organizations, so-called NGOs, are involved in the social welfare programs, and community organizations are there, and some of the individuals and families are also involved in the social welfare programs. This is the brief concept which is relating to the social welfare. Again, I am saying social welfare is an systematic efforts by the society for the well-being of the individuals, especially the vulnerable sections of the society.